At cleanedgesystem.com, we have all the supplies for installing fabric on walls. This includes tracks and tools. So today I'm going to show you the speed roller. So once the fabric is tucked in and trimmed down, reduced to 3/4 of an inch, you take out your speed roller and you literally roll it along the edge in the groove of the track. Whatever track system you have, it works very well. In a few seconds, you're going to see the remaining of the fabric disappearing. It's a very efficient and fast tool, so you're going to get and gain a lot of time. Very efficient. Now we have improved the tool and the disc now has a flat head. So when you get in corners like this, you're going to see that working at the corner is so much easier and faster. Now, that tool is part of a toolkit. You see here the 6 tools, but you can also buy it as a single item. So I would suggest to see the website cleanedgesystem.com and you can learn more about it. So, we'll speak to you soon.